right now, I'm trying to find a way to talk. Very here. And right
Season
now,
2.
I'm trying to find a way to talk. How do you like this?
This one.
There you go. Or this. And for the cup of tea. Or this.
You found it.
The show is about to start.
Let's do the video. Go, go, go. Turn it up.
George, this is Mummy.
Ow! Let's read it.
The Postman's daughter.
Mr. Zebra the postman is delivering a letter to Peppa's house.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you again. I
Promise you.
Daddy today. She has her own letters to deliver.
Danny Dog, Susie Sheep, Rebecca Rabbit, Peppa and George.
Now I
These
have
ones left.
Let's get them delivered.
Yes, Dad.
Very too loudly.
Peppa and George love it when
Listen to your headphone.
We've got two.
Phone, please.
This one's for Daddy.
How exciting. Dear Mr. Pig,
Now
please
just
pay your
testing
telephone
on
bill.
my megaphone.
Bill, it sounds very
Okay,
boring.
here it comes.
Bills are very boring.
Is the other letter for you?
No, this one's for
Here it
Peppa
goes.
and George.
Wow, a letter to me.
Please come to my birthday party. Love, Zoe Zebra.
Zoe Zebra has invited Peppa and George to her birthday party.
Yippee!
To write a reply to Zoe to tell her you
Lord,
come
that
to
was
her
gonna be my birthday.
Help us write it.
Yay.
Of course.
I got the letters for you.
A reply
It's a
to Zoe.
birthday invitation.
What would you like to say?
Dear Zoe,
Dear Zoe,
I don't know what to say next.
we would love to come to your party. Kind regards, Peppa and George.
What kind of
What's gonna be my birthday?
Yeah. You have birthday invitation?
Now,
Miss
Yeah, birthday. Mommy Zebra.
Yeah.
stamp?
The letter is ready to be posted.
Flower.
This
My
is the
flower
post
stamp. And that's the mailbox.
What color?
It is red mailbox.
for posting letters. And here is Peppa with her letter.
Where's Zoe Zebra?
Right there. She's in the mail truck.
Mail truck.
Yeah. Her daddy's the mailman.
we find out. Say goodbye.
Peppa Pig and
Zoe Zebra.
Because I love you.
look at all the letters.
Ooh, that's a lot of mail.
And this
Oh,
letter
today,
is
I'm gonna
mine.
say
What you got?
I got a letter
For
for Zoe Zebra.
and this.
Now,
It's for
Ah!
With so many letters to deliver today, I better
We had to go.
to deliver the mail.
Peppa go to the.
Deliver the mail to the post office.
Yeah. We gotta go for a ride.
Go for a ride in the mail truck.
And then we go.
Go to Peppa Pig's house. Oh, that's Zoe Zebra's house.
Zoe Zebra's house. What color are they now?
Green,
And
blue,
blue and
yellow,
and
orange,
and
pink,
and
yellow.
and what's the last one?
The last one is red.
Red.
Peppa loves posting letters.
Mummy,
You're here.
all these letters are for me.
Oh, amazing.
Can you read it, Mummy?
Dear Zoe, I would love to
I
come
love
to
you,
your
Zoe,
party.
Mommy Zebra.
Danny, fairy dog.
Susie Sheep's
This is like it, so there, my postman.
Rebecca, Pedro,
Mommy and
Emily, Candy. They're all coming to
Candy
your party.
Cat.
Candy cat.
And this letter is from me. It says, we are coming to your party. Love and kisses, Peppa and George.
Birthday is here.
It is.
We're going to have her
Birthday cake and presents.
open up.
Yep, open all the presents. Oh, and the birthday cake
What color?
is yellow.
Who's going to deliver? If you like to watch this,
You are Daddy.
Happy.
Birthday.
What's next?
Oh, no, it's Cuckoo Clock.
This book is called
Cuckoo Clock.
Mummy and Daddy Pig are still asleep.
Still Asleep.
Yeah, they're tired.
Jump into the
Mommy and Daddy's bed.
put your what's that?
Tick-tock clock.
TikTok is a
Clock.
Ow! Ow! Yeah.
There's a little wooden bird inside
Called a.
Cuckoo.
I have it for you.
Cuckoo got
Almost time for me to say.
so long.
I'll see you tomorrow. If you like it to watch the next June video. What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock.
Like this one.
And she flaps her wings
Sounds like this.
and she says,
Cuckoo.
What's the noise?
Cuckoo.
What a noisy little cuckoo you are, George.
Cuckoo!
George is a noisy little cuckoo. Oh, here he comes. The cuckoo clock came out.
What's coming?
It was the cuckoo bird.
Silly George.
Birdie.
Missed the cuckoo.
You missed it. What gotta
Oh,
happen?
he's gonna cry like a baby.
Really brilliant.
You said,
Cuckoo.
And you missed
wow.
Wah. George is a cry baby.
see Cuckoo next time.
You can see it
Wait.
next.
At 10 o'clock.
Comes out
What time is it?
So you gotta wait till 10 o'clock.
Come on, George. Let's play outside.
George does not want to play outside.
I'm not.
He wants to watch for the cuckoo. Oh, it's almost time.
10 o'clock.
What
George
time?
has been waiting for Cuckoo
10
for
o'clock.
almost an hour.
Right here on the
Oh, he's gonna miss the cuckoo.
George has missed Cuckoo again.
What's gonna happen?
He's a crybaby.
Again.
Why
Again.
don't you play in the garden?
Tell him, say, stop crying, brat.
It's time to see
Stop crying, Bradley.
Yeah.
You have to play.
With the dinosaur.
It is
Now it's time.
11 o'clock.
Oh, it's almost 11 o'clock.
It's time to go.
Oh, here comes Cuckoo.
Quick, George. You can't miss
It's time to wave.
Mhm.
George is running faster than he has ever run before.
Oh, there he goes. There's Cuckoo.
It's Cuckoo again.
Yep.
Peppa and George love playing cuckoos.
I love that Cuckoo.
You do.
Cuckoo! Now what time?
Nighttime. Time to go to bed.
Peppa and George are very
Right.
sleepy.
Yawn. What's that sound?
Peppa and George are
Yawn.
asleep.
Sleepy. Uh-oh. Here comes Cuckoo.
Oh my God.
No, time to sleep.
I missed it.
You did.
What happened to it?
Like you and
Got
George.
stuck.
Good.
Okay, here we go again.
Yep.
George, I know how to make cookies.
I don't know what it is exactly.
You want to interrupt like Daddy did.
Oh, there you go.
They are fast asleep.
What?
Mummy, Daddy, we've got something to show you. We've made Cuckoo better.
What?
That's funny.
That sounds fun.
Yeah.
And that,
done. Peppa Pig.
what's next?
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
With this, but that's
Rubber duck.
seriously with
Rubber duck. And 5.
and 5 and Ashley Baker.
Ashley Baker Davies. All done?
Do you
All
like it?
done. You liked it? All done.